This 91-passenger tour boat is the only family-owned casino vessel traveling underneath the Laughlin Bridge to tour Davis Dam and the watery thoroughfare between Bullhead City, Arizona and Laughlin, Nevada. While we're traveling, I'll be giving you a little history of the Colorado River, the casinos, and the area. But first, I would like to ask for everyone's cooperation to please help keep all trash in the receptacles, cigarette butts in the ashtrays, and your personal belongings next to you at all times. We have a beautiful river here, and with everyone's help, we can keep it that way. Thank you. Over on our left is a state park operated by the Nevada Department of Fish and Game, known as Fisherman's Access. Located on Casino Drive along the Colorado River and just south of the Laughlin Bridge, Fisherman's Access has a boat launch ramp, ample parking for vehicles with trailers, and restrooms. In 1992, the American Legion Post No. 60 dedicated an avenue of flags in honor of all those who have served our country honorably. Admission and launch ramp use are free. The ramp can launch two vessels side by side and not interfere with public safety crews, which have their own ramp and dock. The four-lane paved river access has separate twin-laned launch and recover lanes. Under a 30-year agreement with the Nevada Wildlife Department, the Riverside Resort Hotel and Casino, in exchange for additional North Tower parking, will maintain the facility and has paid for the total remodel of the 28-year-old launch facility. The entrance to the Laughlin Regional Heritage Greenway Trail can be seen in the background, and we'll talk about that on our way back downriver. This $500,000 vessel was built over a period of 1 year, from April of 1991 to April of 1992. It was designed and built by Hills Marine out of Seal Beach, California, who also built watercraft for Disneyland. This vessel is 65 feet in length and is almost 18 feet wide. We have two Cummins 6.5-liter diesel engines, 130 horsepower each, and a 4-cylinder Cummins own generator to supply power for the amenities. An observation deck provides a 360-degree panoramic view of the Colorado River and its surrounding environment. The environment was the main consideration in the design of this vessel. As a result, this vessel comes as close to a non-pollutant environment as today's technology can provide. The ladies' restroom is located on the starboard side of the boat, which is the right side of the boat facing forward, just outside the sliding door next to the forward stairwell. The men's restroom is located on the port side, right where you boarded the vessel. This bridge is the Laughlin Bridge. It was opened to traffic in July 1987. Not one penny of taxpayers' money went into the construction of this bridge, as it was paid for in full by Don Laughlin, our town's founder and owner of the Riverside Resort. Don Laughlin and his close friend and properties and development manager, the late Bernie Ozzy Osborne, dealt with more than 30 government agencies over a period of 4 years to get this much-needed project online. For thousands of people, this bridge eliminated the 9-mile drive over Davis Dam, connecting the communities of Bullhead City and Laughlin, Nevada. Before and during construction of the bridge, shuttle boats transported customers from the Arizona side of the river to Laughlin's resorts and back. These boats continue to run year-round.